All right, so I got the engine bay pretty much tied up. I still have a few wire connections to make and put some more loom up, but you can see this is where my wire comes out of the firewall and then comes along here. And then this is where it makes the headlight connections, and then comes underneath here, comes over this side, does the same thing. Right side headlight, right side turn signal, park signal, and then run across here. You have a hot wire. You have an exciter wire for the alternator, and then you have a starter solenoid off of a Ford that I use to start this truck. So you can see it comes from the battery over to the terminal on the start side, so that guy's always hot, the big red one. And then the little red one is the key, as well as this purple wire. That's the starter solenoid side. So when I hit the key, the power comes through this side, it goes down to the starter. And I put a 200 amp fuse in there just in case, because this has headers. But you can see, come down here, and got the headlight, high-low beams, all that hooked up. So right now the key is on. I'm not gonna start the truck, I'm just gonna mess with the lights. But right here, try the park lights. And you can clearly see I have parking lights. So now we'll do the headlights. And you can clearly see I have parking lights and low beams. So now let's try the high beams. That guy's right up in here. Step on it. And you can clearly see we got high beams. So now we'll have a look at the left turn. Left turn works with the high beams. Let's kick that guy down to the low beams just to make sure. Okay. Let's see what that does on low beams. Still got left turn. I'm not sure why I just lost my headlights. I don't have the wire tied on the switch yet, so it jiggled loose. All right, there you go. Low beam turn. Now let's do right side. Got parking light, turn signal, low beam still. Set those high beams again real quick. I just want to make sure my switch is working correctly. And I think I just hit that guy again. Yeah. Now I'm not going to be able to do much more, I don't think, until I get the headlight switch into its position right here. But everything's working. So that's it for now. Like I said, still got to run the brake lights and rear turn signals, but I can't do that because I'm putting C-notches in back here. So I need to do the C-notches first, get those guys in there. But my fear is, working on this guy, is that gas tank is right underneath that fire blanket. And I don't know how safe that actually is. And the bolt right there that would hold the bed, see if you could see that kind of gold colored top right there. But the frame has been boxed in, and they boxed in that bolt, the nut. So I'm not able to lift the bed off to take the fuel tank out. So I've got to do a little thinking on how to be the safest back here. And once I get the C-notches welded in and get the frame cut, I should be able to do the lights, and the truck will pretty much be done. So right now, just C-notches. And you can see I still got a bunch of wires left, but a lot of them aren't going to be used. Radio, air compressor for the AC that this truck don't have, and all that kind of good stuff. More for modern trucks. But anyhow, that's all I got for now, guys. Have a good day. Bye.